This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys how fast or not so fast the Deepal S05 is charging. Okay, let's roll the tape and I'll explain more. So the Deepal has the same battery as the Mazda 6e, I believe, because you will see that they will have quite similar charging curves. Well, except for the Mazda actually colgated slightly. There, boom, at 20 degrees Celsius we get more or less maximum speed, or kinda ish. Yeah, I didn't get the Deepal battery temp because in car scanner it didn't show the percentage on the Deepal, but I also include the MG S5 and the Elrock just to have some other cars to compare against. But in the Deepal's test now, the battery was actually warmer than the Mazda 6e. And you will see that eventually the Deepal will rapid gate. The rapid gate actually occurs at 48 degrees Celsius. Okay, right now we're going to compare it against the other cars roughly. They have roughly the same size, or same price, same size, like same segment. Elrock is actually leading. Wow, very impressive. German cars, they charge schnell. And then Deepal is on the second place because it didn't colgate in the beginning. But we will see eventually, once it rapid gates, what's going to happen then. And then MGS5 and Mazda 6e is actually right neck and neck here. So yeah, oh, now the Elrock is starting to slow down slightly. Here you see that Deepal is quite impressive. Even past 55%, it can still maintain quite good speed versus the Elrock. But eventually there it rapid gated. We don't see it, but we know what's gonna happen. We know what's happening with the Deepal. It hit 48 degrees Celsius and then it rapid gates. Then it goes a lot slower than the Mazda. So actually the Mazda is now faster than the Deepal, despite that Mazda actually colgated slightly. Yeah, and then when I have 40 to 47 degrees in the Mazda 6e, I have camped it in the garage. Normal runs, when you actually drive it, you will have massive gap between min and max temp, depending on if it's winter outside or not. So yeah, eventually the Mazda will also hit 48 degrees Celsius, but then it's so high already, not as high as Snoop Dogg, but okay, it's so high that it doesn't matter. It will need to charge slow anyway. So actually right now the Mazda 6e is leading. Simply amazing, this Japanese tech, yeah. Okay, I'm just trolling, but yeah, okay, leading. And then actually the Deepal is on a good second, despite that it rapid gates even. Wow. And then we have the Elrock on the third, and then MGS5 on the fourth. You know, okay, you need to have the 800 volt wonderful IM tech on the MG if you want to go faster. But yeah, right now Mazda is still faster than the Deepal, but they have more or less the same charging curve here. We're going to see that soon. Not sure how far I want to show you guys, but how interesting this is. But just showing you that this is more or less best case for the Mazda, and then near best case for the Deepal. I went a bit too deep and to 1% to measure the capacity, and then when I went to 10% again, the battery was hotter. And then well, why didn't the cooling kick in faster? Yeah, well, I don't know, man. It has active cooling, but it didn't kick in fast enough to prevent it from rapid gating. So maybe it's just poor implementation of the BMS. Ich weiß nicht. But yeah, now Mazda and the Deepal is kind of neck on neck. They already hit 90% before. Okay, Elrock then hit 90%, but MG S5 has not even hit 90% yet. Wow. Slightly disappointing because it has a 64 kilowatt hour, but the MG5, sorry, the MG4 charges way faster, has a flatter curve and so on versus this car. So okay, but I'll show you that the Mazda and even the Deepal charges so fast that they might even hit 100% by the time the MG S5 hits 90%. Okay, and the Elrock also fairly fast. Yeah, the German cars, they tend to be quite schnell to 100%. Now we're kind of waiting for the paint to dry. There, Mazda hit 100% before the Deepal. So, I mean, why was that? Was it because of the rapid gate? Well, normally the rapid gate wouldn't cost too much time, right? No, this is actually several minutes slower. So, well, I don't know. Deepal also had the latest and greatest software. It was so new that they had to update it via a USB stick. That's how new it was. It was version 3.0.2, I believe, on the Deepal. So yeah, Elrock also hit 100% by now, and then I don't think we have to wait for the MGS5. So the blue here is the colgate on the Mazda, right? But then eventually it catches up and goes flat like Kansas, whereas the Deepal Actually has slightly higher. Oh yeah. This is what is shown on the charger, whereas the Mazda is what goes into the battery. So there's probably some heating or cooling going on here on the charger, and losses also, of course. So the one you see in car scanner is usually the correct number, not the one you get from the charger. But just really impressive, man. This Japanese tech, how awesome it is compared to the other cars. The Elrock is okay, kind of fast-ish, but then it also drops and then follows maybe more like the natural charging curve. And then the MGS5 is actually kind of disappointing. Has some flat curve in the beginning, and then it just goes way below the other one. So yeah, interesting to see how it is, but keep in mind that the Deepal and the Mazda charging session here, this is best case. Normal case during 1,000 kilometer challenge, these batteries, they don't perform nearly as well. When it's cold, they Colgate like the Mazda. When it's hot, meaning 1 degree Celsius outside, then the Deepal is actually rapid gating. Okay, anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.